this Revit tips I will show you how create the room schedule. This is the room schedule. You see, this is schedule and this is room schedule. How you will make this room schedule? For example, if you have this layout second floor and someone asks you create the room schedule, what you will do, just see, click on the level. This is 1, this is 2 level. For example, I will create for this one. Right click here, go in the duplicate view, create the duplicate view, not duplicate with detail, just duplicate. So you will see here duplicate coming. You can change here name also. So after that, what you will do, just go there in the architecture tab, then click here room. See here room schedule, just click here and then you will see automatically line coming. Just click inside like this, like this, like this, like this. Where you need, you can click here like this. All area you can click. After that, what you will do, just change the name. Here make room number 1. Here for example you can change room number 2. I will make this room number 2 and enter. Then this should be change all name and you have to name number 3. If same number coming, is not coming here, and this you can change also all here. If you see now this one is coming for up to here, so you have to split up to here. I will show you how later on. If this writing coming very big, just go here in the scale, you can change here scale 100. You see this writing coming small, and this one click just single and make here dining. For example, I make here again, and here I will change this is room number 5, and this all room will be changed. When you change all room, after that go in the architecture and then go again in the after that annotate, and then go here color fill. Just click here, you will see automatically coming here, and click just like this, it will be show this window. Just go here, select rooms, then select name and OK. You will see this coming here room schedule all with colors. Each room have color, and here name this 3, this is 3, and this one all will be separate. If you want to make separate this one, then you have to select this one and go here this room separator. I click here and select one line. I will make this line from here to here. Well, you see this is coming only there, this is remove, and you can give other name. If you will give other name, it will be coming automatically. I give this name like this. See, it is coming here automatically, and is calculating. After calculating, they give the name here. So like this one, you can make any schedule for rooms. So just click on the view and go in the architecture, and here is room, and select and click here, and this room schedule, it will be appear like this one. This is, you can change also name. This first one I made already before, and this for level 2, and this is normally you have layout, and this one, this level 2 room schedule. Right click and you can change rename level 2. We have here room schedule like this. You can change also name. If I change, is coming already change here. Thank you so much.